Hello everyone! Today, we introduce our CNC reinforcement cage welding machine, professionally produced by Hunan Xinyu Cheng, a leading Chinese manufacturer of numerical control steel processing equipment. This machine is designed for bridge piles, high-speed rail foundations, and large infrastructure projects, ideal for markets like Russia and Israel. Equipped with a higher precision CNC system, it realizes full automatic operation, greatly reducing labor and improving efficiency. Compared with manual welding, it has obvious advantages. One machine replaces 8 to 10 welders with firm, uniform welding points and precise spacing. It passes the AC, CE, and ISO certifications, supports Russian and English interfaces, and adapts to harsh environments, like Russia's scalding climate, 40 degrees centigrade, widely used in Russian and Israeli major projects. It's cost-effective and durable. Hunan Xinyu Cheng provides quality equipment and customized solutions. Choose us. Boost efficiency and win more projects. We look forward to your cooperation.
Mau đi nào vào ấy.